If your YouTube search history isn't showing up, don't panic. I'll walk you through the steps to fix it quickly and easily. First of all, check if your YouTube search history is paused. To do this, open the YouTube app, then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right to go to settings. Here, tap on Manage All History. This will take you to the YouTube history page. Now, tap on the Controls tab and make sure YouTube history is toggled on. Also check that both include the YouTube videos you watch and include your searches on YouTube are enabled. If pause is switched on, simply unpause it. Next, confirm that you're signed in with the correct Google account. Sometimes your history won't show up just because you're on the wrong account. If that doesn't help, clear the YouTube app's cache. On iPhone, the easiest way is to delete and reinstall the app. And on Android, go to your settings, then tap on Apps. After that, go to YouTube followed by Stories and then tap on Clear Cache. Also, update the YouTube app from the App Store or Google Play Store because outdated versions can cause syncing problems. Finally, if you're still having issues, open your preferred browser and go to myactivity.google.com. Here, make sure Web and App Activity is toggled on since this setting allows YouTube to save your searches across devices. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.